You ever wonder what it takes to go from rock bottom, rejected, broke, on your own, to launching an AI startup making $6 million a year by age 21? Let me take you on a journey that shatters everything you thought you knew about making money, building companies, and rewriting your own story. If you've ever felt stuck, invisible, or like your dreams are too far away, this is for you. Stick with me, and whether you ever build an app or not, you'll learn how Roy Lee's story can hand you a blueprint for your own freedom. Subscribe if you want proof that your background doesn't define your bank account. Here's Roy's story. A math team captain, Harvard-bound, until one teenage mistake blew it all apart. Suspended from a school trip, college dreams shattered. He spent an entire year in exile, alone in his room, feeling like a nobody. But in those darkest months, he made a promise to himself. I will build something so big, nobody can ever look down on me again. Most of us would have folded, but Roy went all in, hustling, teaching himself to code, and searching for a way to stand out. For months, nothing worked. Then came one simple, risky idea. Build a tool to use AI and cheat technical job interviews. It was controversial, bold, and most importantly, real. Most people play it safe and stay average. The few willing to risk it all, those are the ones who change the game. Unknown. Roy's tool, Interview Coder, was more than a hack. It was a window into the future. AI that could see your screen, hear your audio, and help you in real time, no complicated prompts needed. A social post showing how it worked went unexpectedly viral, catching the attention of tech leaders and even getting Roy suspended from Columbia, his new college. But instead of hiding, he turned every bad headline into rocket fuel, rallying investors around his audacity and vision. Drop a comment if you've ever felt misunderstood for trying something new, because you're in good company. So what is the company? Cluey. Imagine an AI assistant that can literally see what's on your screen, listen to your meetings, and give you live, context-aware help in real time. No prompting needed. Have you ever been stuck in a high-stakes interview, sales call, or team meeting wishing you had the perfect answer or data? Cluey is like a silent, invisible expert always at your side. It doesn't just react, it's proactively helping you, tailored to your unique role, product, or sales pitch. And unlike clunky chatbots, it's completely invisible during screen shares. The result? You look like a genius every time without anyone knowing you've got AI watching your back. Let's get real. Roy launched Cluey on April 20th, 2025. Less than 2 months later, the company was already making $500,000 a month, and now it's on track for over $6 million in annual recurring revenue. He's only 21 years old. Let that sink in. This isn't theory. This is what happens when you pair creative risk-taking, technical hustle, and relentless viral marketing. Like this video if you believe age shouldn't limit your ambition. Financial independence isn't about working harder. It's about daring to be seen, building leverage, and letting your boldness convert attention to income. Social media wisdom. Does this sound impossible? Let's look at the facts. Just 5 years ago, remote work was rare. Now, 40% of desk jobs worldwide are remote, and the digital freelance economy is exploding, projected to hit $350 billion by 2027. Roy's company went viral not by being the most technical, but by being the most visible, creating launches, stunts, and everyday stories that got millions talking. One testimonial reads, "My micro-influencer videos for Cluey got over 1 million views each month, and I finally earned what I'm worth." The opportunity is massive if you're bold enough to grab it.